You're sitting on the side of the road, you're broke down, you're figuring out how you got to get your next load down, you got to figure out how to make that money. Call us at Lawless Welding, we'll take your truck, get it back running, cut the frame, replace the frame anywhere where you got damage that keeps you from going to kingpin, things of that nature. We're able to take that stuff and get you rolling again so you can keep making money, which is the main goal. That's what we do at Lawless Welding. We take your problem, figure out what we can do as far as welding, fix it, repair it, and get you moving where you can keep making money.
Lawless Welding, now serving Virginia and North Carolina, plus they've got their new 60,000 square foot warehouse. Lawless Welding for truck and trailer repair, 276-806-8077. Call Lawless first.